The Mazda MX-5 Miata has long been celebrated as one of the greatest sports cars ever built. Lightweight, perfectly balanced, and incredibly fun to drive, the MX-5 embodies the true essence of an enthusiast's roadster. But what happens when you take this nimble machine and inject it with V8 Fury? Enter Rocketeer, a UK-based company that has revolutionized the MX-5 driving experience by swapping in a glorious Jaguar AJ30 3-liter V6 engine, bringing power, torque, and pure driving excitement to the already revered roadster. Engineering marvel. The V6 swap Rocketeer's conversion kit is meticulously engineered, ensuring that the V6 integrates seamlessly into the MX-5 chassis without compromising the car's DNA. The Jaguar AJ30 V6, known for its smooth power delivery, produces 250 horsepower and 220 pound-feet of torque, a substantial upgrade from the stock MX-5 engine. The Rocketeer Kirio, a lightweight, high-performance flagship based on the MX V6. Named after the Japanese word for lightweight, the Kirio aims to deliver 375 horsepower in an 850-kilogram package, for a power-to-weight ratio of 441 horsepower per ton, on par with supercar royalty like the Ferrari F40 and more recent machines like the Lamborghini Huracan Fade 10 or McLaren 620R. Incredible numbers for the demure MX-5, but ones the chassis should actually be able to handle thanks to its double wishbone suspension all-round and inherent balance. Rocketeer has delivered over 30 turnkey and resto-mod vehicles and supplied more than 150 self-build kits, showing the enduring appeal of a simple, lightweight sports car with a naturally aspirated engine. With private backing now secured, new models inbound, and the US market finally within reach, Rocketeer's momentum is building on all fronts.